Hi, this How to 1 Minute will show you how to add a downloadable document to Wix website. Follow these easy steps to easily add a downloadable documents in your Wix website. So first of all, go to your Wix website editor and then click on page, and you have to select the page where you want to add a downloadable document option. And once you are in the specific page, go to the section where you want to add, and now just click on add elements. And here, first of all, let's make a downloadable document using button. So I'm clicking on button and let's select this first button. And here, as you can see, the button added. Now I'm going to make the button bigger and changing the position. Okay, as you can see, I've added a button. Now it's time to attach our documents into this button. So select the button and click on link, and here select document. Click on choose file, and now you can easily select a document from Wix site files, or you can upload a document from your computer by clicking on upload media. So here's I'm selecting this document and clicking on add to page and clicking on done. And now I will change this button text. So here's I'm clicking on change text and icon and changing the button text to download. And now let's preview the site. And now anyone will be able to easily download the document file by clicking on this download button. Let's see how it works, and as you can see, it's working perfectly. So this is how we can add a downloadable document in Wix website using button. Now let's make a downloadable documents using a text. So here's clicking on add elements and selecting text, and let's select this heading, and I'm changing the heading text. Click here to download, document. Okay, now you can easily edit your text. Now I'm going to selecting this text and just clicking on this link option, and the same way, what do you want to link to? Select document, choose file, and now you can choose a document from your Wix media library, or you can upload a document from your computer. All you have to need, go ahead and select the document and just click on add to page. Done. And that's it. Now on, anyone will be able to easily download the document file by clicking on this text and on this button. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.